I'm about to show you how to make $4
$4, I'm gonna be rich, yes.
every 5 minutes, $10 every 20 minutes,
Okay.
and anywhere between $30 and $120 for 30 minutes to an hour.
Whoa, okay, we are really getting rich. Let's see how we're making $4 every 5 minutes or $120 an hour. Come on then.
This requires 0 skills.
Of course it does, it's always...
This requires 0 skills, no upfront costs. Just follow me to get rich.
0 experience, and all you need is your phone, laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection.
A Wi-Fi connection. I have all of those things. Let's go.
Now, I know what you're probably thinking.
This is dreadful advice. This is going to be some kind of BS. Useless money-making scheme. Let's see.
This is saturated, right? Nope, not the case whatsoever.
Of course it's not saturated. Yeah, that's what everyone says. Pretty much nobody knows about this.
Pretty much nobody knows about this.
What are we doing?
All right then, let's get into it. Like, save, and share this with your friends right now so that you can come back to it.
Absolutely not going to share this with my friends because they will think I've lost my mind.
Later.
Head on over to usertesting.com and then click on Get Paid to Test.
I swear user testing is just like the new surveys.
Then input your email address and follow the on-screen instructions.
Yeah.
These are companies that are willing to pay really good money to get real feedback from real people. While other survey websites will send you low quality surveys that pay pennies on the
this is
dollar,
exactly what I'm thinking.
usertesting.com will pay you, well, dollars on the dollar. I think it's easy to say that
dollars
making
on
some
the
good
dollar.
money on the side while you're helping brands build good experiences and great products for consumers.
Right. To prove this, we're going to add this to the Side Hustle Experiment series for YouTube. And we're going to do this and we're going to see how much money we can make and just how my brain literally can't function today. Mind-numbingly boring this is.
For consumers is a win-win. Now, if you want to be making 10 times more money,
Yes, of course I want to be making 10 times more money. More money, yeah, let's go, let's go.
10 times easier
10
than...
times. Why are we even talking about this idea if there's a way that makes 10 times more money and is 10 times easier? Like, just get to that idea first. What is going on here?
method that I've just showed you, then comment testing and I'll ping you over completely free training on exactly
Free
how to
training
do
lead
this.
magnet, gonna go into some course upsell. I just know it. Oh, this guy is already in the sea, but we are gonna boop and drop him in again. There's 2 of this guy in the sea. Oh, come on. We're actually going to put this to the test, like I said. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in bio, because we're going to add this to the Side Hustle series, and you're not going to want to miss that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.